The future of 3D printing is here, and it's getting better, faster, and more precise. Whether you're a professional designer, an engineer, or just a hobbyist looking to bring your ideas to life, the right 3D printer can make all the difference. From high-speed FDM printers to ultra-detailed resin models, today's lineup covers the best of the best. Stick around and don't forget to check out the links in the description for the latest discounts. Alright, let's get into it. Kicking things off, let's dive into the Bambu Lab A1. Widely regarded as one of the top 3D printers available, it caters to both beginners and seasoned users with an impressive set of features. One of the first things you'll notice about the A1 is its beginner-friendly design. Right out of the box, you're guided by a QR code that links to a detailed setup video, making the installation process a breeze, especially for first-time users. While there are a few assembly steps involved, including flipping the printer over twice, it's still far easier to set up compared to many other FDM printers. The A1 boasts a larger build volume of 256mm cube, a significant upgrade from the previous A1 Mini, allowing for more ambitious projects. It's built with a dual-rail Z-axis and a robust frame, providing enhanced stability during prints. One of its standout features is automatic calibration before every print, ensuring precision while saving you time. Fully integrated into the Bambu ecosystem, it supports a wide range of filaments with seamless compatibility. The built-in camera is another great addition, letting you monitor prints remotely and even create time-lapse videos for a closer look at your work. A particularly clever feature is the small silicone pad the printer uses to clean the nozzle before each job, helping to prevent common printing issues. However, no machine is without its quirks. The magnetic print bed can sometimes shift out of place, requiring a few adjustments to align properly. Additionally, stray filament pieces can scatter around during prints or filament loading, which might be frustrating for those who like a tidy workspace. Another drawback is the timing. If you recently purchased the A1 Mini, it might sting a little to see that the A1 packs in so many more features for just $100 more. Now let's take a look at the Anycubic Photon Mono 4. This budget-friendly resin printer has been making waves with its impressive capabilities. At first glance, its design closely resembles its predecessor, the Mono 2, with nearly identical dimensions. However, the key upgrade in this model is its 7-inch 10K monochrome LCD screen, boasting an XY resolution of 17 microns. This means incredibly detailed prints, with crisp edges and sharp fine text. The build plate features a textured surface along with a 4-point leveling system for added precision. Meanwhile, the resin vat is made of plastic, which helps keep costs down but might raise durability concerns. Fortunately, metal alternatives are available at an affordable price. When it comes to performance, the Mono 4 delivers outstanding print quality even for intricate designs. The level of detail is remarkable, making it a great choice for users who need precision. It also includes an auto pause and resume function, which comes in handy in case of a power outage. Navigating the printer is simple thanks to its user-friendly interface. While the touchscreen is only 2.8 inches, it's still easy to use and doesn't compromise functionality. Another great feature is its compatibility with Anycubic's new bio-based resins, which are low-odor, environmentally friendly, and even meet toy safety standards. That said, always use proper protective gear when handling resin. Of course, no printer is without its drawbacks. The plastic resin vat might not feel as sturdy as some users would prefer, and the top cover has a slightly loose fit, though it doesn't affect performance. Now let's talk about the Prusa MK4. This 3D printer is known for its outstanding print quality and advanced features. With a build volume of 250 by 210 by 220mm, it offers plenty of space for most projects. However, if you're planning to print larger models, the size limitations might be a concern. One of its most impressive upgrades is the load cell auto-leveling system, which automatically adjusts the print bed to ensure a perfectly even surface. The advanced extrusion system is another highlight, allowing for smoother filament feeding and precise results. Connectivity is another strong point, with support for quick USB printing and file transfers over Wi-Fi. That said, Wi-Fi transfers can be a bit sluggish at times. In terms of performance, the Prusa MK4 truly shines. It produces incredibly sharp details, smooth surfaces, and easily removable supports. While it's not as fast as competitors like the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, the level of precision it delivers more than makes up for the speed difference. The included Prusa Slicer software with its pre-configured profiles makes printing straightforward, even for beginners. Of course, no printer is perfect. One of the biggest drawbacks of the Prusa MK4 is its price tag. At $1,200, it's far from a budget option. The built volume may also be a limiting factor for those looking to print larger models. Wi-Fi setup and data transfers can feel a bit sluggish, which is surprising for a printer of this caliber. Additionally, the absence of an easily accessible belt tensioning system makes maintenance slightly more cumbersome. Now let's take a look at the Bambu Lab X1 Carbon, a 3D printer that's been turning heads with its blazing speed and advanced features. Starting with its design, the X1 Carbon boasts a 256 by 256 by 256 mm build volume, making it ideal for medium-sized projects. Its fully enclosed frame helps maintain a stable temperature during printing, ensuring better consistency and quality. It also comes equipped with a built-in camera and LiDAR system, allowing for remote monitoring and time-lapse recording, a great feature for those who like to keep an eye on their prints. One of its most impressive features is the rapid heating system, reaching 250 degrees in just a few seconds. The flexible magnetic build plate is another bonus, making it easier to print with various materials like PLA, PETG, and TPU. However, a downside is that nozzle changes require specific parts, which can limit compatibility with standard components. When it comes to performance, the X1 Carbon is all about speed. It can complete a Bini model in just 17 minutes, significantly outpacing many competitors. Despite its rapid printing, the quality remains excellent, with fine details and smooth surfaces. However, some users have reported minor imperfections in top layers and curved surfaces, likely due to software optimization, something that could be improved with future updates. Fortunately, the Bambu Slicer software simplifies the process with pre-configured profiles, making it beginner-friendly. Of course, no printer is flawless. The filament holder at the back isn't the most convenient, and the LiDAR system can sometimes misfire with false alerts or fail to detect real issues. Additionally, filament loading and unloading could be a bit more intuitive. Finally, at around $1,200, this printer is a serious investment, especially when compared to more affordable options on the market. Finally, let's take a look at the Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra, the latest 5th-generation resin printer from Elegoo. With its sleek design and advanced 9K screen boasting an 8-micron resolution, this printer delivers stunningly detailed prints. The level of precision is especially impressive for intricate models and fine details, making it a great choice for those who demand high-quality results. One of its most innovative features is the tilted vat mechanism. Unlike traditional resin printers that lift prints straight up at a 90-degree angle, this system tilts the vat to release prints more smoothly. This reduces suction forces, leading to fewer failed prints. Another standout feature is the self-leveling build plate, which eliminates the need for manual adjustments, saving time and effort before each print. When it comes to performance, the Mars 5 Ultra delivers excellent results. It's compatible with Qi 2-Box Basic, making slicing tasks easier, and supports Wi-Fi file transfers for added convenience. The built-in AI camera is designed to monitor the printing process and detect potential errors, though currently this function only works with specific software. Another useful addition is the regional EXP exposure tool, which helps users fine-tune print settings for different resins, a particularly helpful feature for beginners. Of course, no printer is perfect. The menu screen is on the smaller side, which can make navigating settings, especially the Wi-Fi setup, a bit tricky. Additionally, Elegoo didn't include air filters in this model, meaning users will need to purchase them separately. Another point of critique is the new anti-aliasing feature, which in some cases results in more visible voxel lines than expected. However, with proper software adjustments, this issue can likely be minimized over time. That wraps up our roundup of this year's top 3D printers. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a professional, there's a model out there to suit your needs. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future reviews. Thanks for watching and happy printing.